Everybody asks me, how can you defend a client if you know he is guilty? I don't care at all. Even more, I don't even need to know if he did it or not. That's the judge's job. As a lawyer, I'm going to work hard to dismiss the procedure, but it's not the defense lawyer's job to prove the case. It's the prosecutor's job. I must remark that in theory, the defendant can only be convicted if there is no reasonable doubt about his guilt. There are 6 ways to proceed with the defense strategy. Number 1, by recognizing the facts but not the authorship. I'm not going to deny that the robbery, fraud, or homicide was committed, but I'm going to deny that my client is responsible of that crime. Simply, it was another person. Number 2, by recognizing the facts and playing with exempting and mitigating circumstances to reduce the penalty, mental capacity, damage, reparation, necessity, and so on. Number 3, not recognizing the facts by providing evidence that proves the error of the accusation. My client has an alibi. He was in another state when the crime was committed. Number 4, by scrutinizing the legal procedure, looking for fundamental right violations that might determine the nullity of the procedure and subsequently the acquittal of the accused without entering into the merits. The vast majority of the courts work really badly, and therefore most legal cases are poorly instructed and are susceptible to nullity. Number 5, by recognizing the facts but denying the legal qualification. Sexual abuse instead of rape. Shoplifting instead of robbery. Number 6, by recognizing the facts and conform when it's evident, and we're dealing with a juicio rápido, where the defendant will benefit from the reduction of 1/3 of the sentence if he conforms, pledging guilty. With these 6 choices, my job is to find the best line of defense based on the facts and evidences provided by the court. I cannot change the facts at your will. The facts are in the summary of the proceedings, but the judge was not in the crime state, so I can deconstruct the facts to get the best result. It's clear that this is a profession of means, not results. But I'll never go out to the ring with my arms down, as I've seen so many times with my colleagues. Nobody is infallible, but I'll convince the judge about your innocence, or at least, I'll always put the judge in doubt about your guilt. And as you know, in case of doubt, you must be acquitted.